In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From your desktop, click on search and type task manager and open it. Here search for Roblox. Now if you find any app related to Roblox, just right click on it, then click on end task. Repeat this step for all Roblox processes. Once you done, then close this window. Now press Window plus R key from your keyboard. Here you have to type %localappdata%. Then click on OK. Here you have to find Roblox. Just scroll down and double click on Roblox. Here double click on versions. Now you have to select all of these files. You just need to press Ctrl plus A. Then click on trash icon. After this, close this window. Now from desktop, click on search and type CMD and click on run as an administrator. Here you have to type netsh space IP space reset. Then hit enter. Now type netsh space winsock space reset. Then hit enter. Now type ipconfig space / release. Then hit enter. After this, type ipconfig space / space renew. Then hit enter. Now type ipconfig space / flushdns. Then hit enter. After this, close this window and restart your PC. Now you need to reinstall Roblox. Then from desktop, click on search and type Roblox player and click on run as an administrator and it will fix your issue. So that's how you can fix fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox in just few easy steps.